Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to upload a hero banner in your Shopify website. Right now, as you can see, we are into admin dashboard and we have simply clicked on online store. Now we are going to click on edit theme. Okay, so we are into theme customization and here you can see this is a default hero banner, right? You just need to click on the hero template, right? The hero section, okay, and we are into the media one. You just need to upload the media file from your system, whatever the image you want to see over here, you want to appear over here. So I have simply uploaded 3 banners, right? And you can select any of the banner, or you can select multiple banners as well, right? And both the banners would be displayed together, right? And if you want to create a carousel, then also you can create a carousel, right? So I have just simply added this banner, and now we will simply edit this and add the alt text for SEO reason as well. Okay, we have clicked on save. Now we will click on back button, exit button. Okay, so our hero banner have been uploaded, right? You can upload multiple banners as well, right? And if you want to create a hero carousel slider, then that is separate thing, right? If you upload the second media file, then you can choose any of the image and you can simply click on done. Similarly, we are going to edit this image, right? As you can see, both the images are appearing together, right? You can also edit this image as well, and you can simply add the alt text for this image, right? For SEO reason again. Okay, so we have simply entered the alt text, right? Alternative text, click on save, and now we will click on exit. Okay, so our hero banner have been uploaded successfully. You can see there are lots of other feature as well, like stack media, so different media on mobile, right? You can sort some different kind of media on mobile. You can also add a link, right? Over here, if you want to if you want user to navigate directly to a product page, then you can simply add all products page link. Okay, and this is basically the layout, right? The alignment is center and the direction is vertical. You can also change it to vertical or horizontal, whatever you want, right? So right now, as you can see, both the text and button are placed vertical. You can also place it horizontal, and in the position you can change the position as well. You can increase and decrease the gap. You can increase and decrease the height, right? So as you can see, the hero banner height has been increased, right? You can make it to medium. You can also change the width of this hero section to a page or full width, right? Depending upon your requirement, you can change the color scheme in the appearance, right? Right now, as we have uploaded a banner, right? You can also change the overlay color. Right now, as you can see, there is an overlay color of gray shade, and if I choose the white color, then you will see the image would highlight much better, right? You can add overlay so that your text could be more visible, right, to your user. Else what would happen is like your text would get mixed with your image if the image behind is of bright background, right? You can increase and decrease the padding from top or bottom, right? So you can do it from here as well. Okay, so it is completely fine, right? You need not to change. Okay, so these are basically some settings in the hero section, right? You can also add videos in your hero area, right? Right now, as we have uploaded an image, you can simply edit this image as well. You can simply crop this image, resize this image, or you can remove the background, right? That I have already taught earlier, right? You can change the media file from here. You can simply delete it from here if you want to replace this image from another image, right? And after making all the necessary changes, right, you can simply save it, and you can also duplicate this or you can hide this, you can edit the code of this particular section. So these kind of basic settings are also provided over here, right? Because sometimes if we want to change the code of this section, we can also make it according to us. So we have successfully saved, and this hero banner have been uploaded on our Shopify website in this manner. Okay, let's refresh. Okay, so our hero banner have been uploaded correctly, right? You can change the image from here as I've earlier told you. You can select from library, you can select from your system as well. Whenever you click on select from library, right now as I have selected it from library, you can also add files from your system as well, right? Because I have already uploaded these images into the library earlier. Okay, so let me tell you again, if you go back, edit theme, right now as you can see our slider is not getting displayed, right? Let's go back, leave the page. Okay, here it is reflecting, but when again we click on edit theme, okay, it got reflected, right? Sometime it happens, right, because of cache and cookie issues, right? So you can also hide and unhide it from directly here. You can also go and click on triple dot, right? You can also ask the setup guide as well if you want to make some changes, right, over here. So for example, I'm just typing add carousel in hero area. Okay, then it would suggest me that actually basically a hero carousel area is somehow a different section, right? This is not, this is simply a hero area, and if you want to add the hero carousel area, we will learn in another video. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.